We are starting with this poem, The Trees. So here, basically, the very first thing to note is that trees here symbolize women, right? Which is again very important because in case we do not understand the symbolism in this poem, obviously going ahead with this poem and understanding the different things, because one of the paragraphs says that the trees are moving out of their houses. They will cross the courtyard and go about. So it's little difficult to understand, but because this symbolizes women in a male-dominated society. Right? And here it signifies how they are breaking the barriers of the restrictions that are imposed upon them. Right? So basically, what do trees symbolize here? One meaning goes with the trees that we have heard. We have actually their places in the forest itself, and we have planted them where? In our houses, and they have all the restraints that are for the trees in the houses. Clear? Second is that it symbolizes the women whom we have dumped out or we have restricted within the premises of the home, and we have not given them liberty to them that they should just go ahead, go out, and they find or they live their life on their own. Clear? So let's go ahead with the very first paragraph. Here, this whole poem is a free verse because there is no rhyme scheme. Clear? The second thing is enchantment here.
Yes.
Just let me go back to the I think I'll have to share responsibly. Here it is. So, the next thing I said is enjambment throughout the poem. What is enjambment? Yes, anyone? Enjambment is no punctuation used anywhere. See, look at the whole poem and you will not find a single punctuation mark in the whole poem. Right?
Yes.
So, next we will just go ahead with the very first paragraph of the poem. The trees inside are moving out into the forest. Figures of speech are personification, trees are moving, out into the forest. The figure of speech, number one, is personification. Why? Because we consider trees to be very stagnant as they are only placed at one place and they do not really move like living things. Clear? And here we are personifying them as living things. We are saying the trees are moving out. This is clear?